Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a super easy sorbet. This method is incredibly simple, requiring just 2 main ingredients and a few minutes of your time. We'll be using about 16 ounces of your preferred frozen fruit, like berries or mango, and approximately 1/4 cup of a liquid sweetener such as maple syrup or agave. The key to success is a powerful food processor or a high-speed blender to achieve that perfect, smooth texture. Let's get blending. Now, let's get to the fun part. Blending. Place your 16 ounces of frozen fruit and 1/4 cup of sweetener into your food processor or blender. Begin on a low speed to break down the fruit, then gradually increase to high. You'll need to pause and scrape down the sides every 30 to 60 seconds to ensure everything incorporates evenly. Keep blending until the mixture transforms into a thick, smooth, and creamy sorbet consistency, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your sorbet reaches that perfect texture, give it a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add another tablespoon or 2 of your liquid sweetener and blend again briefly. For a soft serve consistency, you can enjoy it right away. If you prefer a firmer sorbet, transfer it to a freezer-safe container and chill for about 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with some fresh berries or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance. It's truly that simple. The beauty of this easy sorbet recipe is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with various frozen fruits, like a mix of pineapple and mango, or even add a splash of lemon or lime juice for a brighter, tangier flavor. If you have any delicious leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. For the best taste and texture, try to enjoy your homemade sorbet within about 1 week. Happy blending and enjoy your delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.